Now ancillary. Now repeat after me. Ancillary. Welcome to English Dictionary Infinity, where we help you perfect your pronunciation and expand your vocabulary, one word at a time. Meaning. Ancillary refers to something that provides support or adds value to a primary function, often in a secondary or supplementary role. Ancillary services or items aren't the main focus, but are essential in assisting or enhancing the primary purpose. This term is frequently used in business, healthcare, and technology to describe supportive elements that improve overall operations. Think of it like this. Ancillary means extra but helpful, like support staff in a company or side services that aid a primary function. In a sentence, the hospital offers ancillary services like physical therapy to support patient recovery. Here, ancillary refers to additional services that assist in healthcare. Let's try another example. Ancillary staff, like assistants and technicians, play a crucial role in running the organization smoothly. Now it's your turn. If you understand the word, comment below with your own sentence using ancillary. Synonyms. Some related terms for ancillary are adding to or completing something. Auxiliary, providing additional support. Antonyms. The opposite of ancillary would be primary, the main or core part of something. Principal, main or of the greatest importance. Part of speech. Ancillary is an adjective describing something that is secondary or supportive in nature. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to keep building your vocabulary with us at English Dictionary Infinity. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for more words and pronunciation tips. See you next time.